Hi, I am Anjali and welcome to ILM. Celebrating 20 years since 1993, ILM is a brand that revolves around the mantra of responsible management and education. ILM is committed to develop the core competencies such as leadership, responsible management, decision making in students. These competencies is not only going to serve the society but to the industry as well. ILM campus is situated at the premium location, Sector 53 Gurgaon, DLF Golf Course Road, surrounded by the Aravali Hills and multinational corporate bases. Its central location and close proximity to Delhi Metro Link, nearly 5 kilometers, makes it very easy for our students to commute the public transport. Easy access to shopping malls, market and a quality medical facilities. Also, the Rapid Metro project is very nearly to start and it's situated very near to our campus. Let's know more about ILM from our director itself.
Our vision focuses on responsible management education and business focused research. It's a completely student centric program. ILM is giving platform to each student to become a global leader and manager through industry engagement, curriculum and strong mentoring system. If we talk about our curriculum is globally benchmarked, which gives flavor of dynamism of global organization. ILM is also giving a platform to our student to have international exposure through student exchange and immersion program.
Gurgaon not only has the corporate and industrial hub for the prominent companies like Audi, Maruti Suzuki, Motorola, Dell, Deloitte, but also for the shopaholics where you can find all the typical brands available here. As far as entertainment part is concerned, you have the 4D cinemas and the surroundings like the Kingdom of Dreams, Centuries. In Kingdom of Dreams, you can find the absolutely fine dinings and the yummy eateries.
ILM offers hostel accommodation with state-of-the-art facilities for its outstation students. Further, it provides a vibrant residential campus to create a homely atmosphere. Besides its world-class facilities, the institute is extremely safe for its students, staff and faculty. It boasts a fully functional safety department that works round the clock to maintain a safe and secure environment. Exceptional faculty and excellent infrastructure further enrich students' learning experience. With a campus that stretches across 7 acres, the self-owned residential premises form its own vibrant community. In addition to this, the institute is offering residential accommodation to outstation students with state-of-the-art facilities for both girls and boys separately. ILM Gurgaon provides hostel accommodation to the students in the form of a magnificent, comfortable and secure residential facilities that assure the students home away from home. We strive to make the transition of the students as smooth as possible by providing all amenities of necessities within the students' residences, where all rooms have been designed to provide the adequate moving space and ample air and lighting.
At ILM, we aim to develop students' career landscape by proactively addressing the needs of the industry at regular intervals of time. This is achieved by assessing the existing student talent base and developing their skills and expertise, which are highly valued by the prospective employer. It not only aims to develop theory, but also on a holistic development of students through varied industry engagement activities such as panel discussions, conference participation, industry visits, live projects, summer internships, etc. Through this continuous process, we are able to attract best of the recruiters from India and abroad.
As a member of SCOP team from the last 1.5 years, I have worked on various projects with various recruiters. At ILM, the various industries like HUL, Nestle, KPMG, Deloitte, Tower Edison, etc. just name a few that comes for the placements. At ILM, the main focus of Career Development Center is to bring together all the faculty, students and the placement trainers.
Alumni engagement is an integral part at ILM. Keeping this in mind,
We are working towards building a strong alumni community, and we continue to work in this direction. We believe that students of today are alumni of tomorrow, and they are truly the brand ambassadors of an organization and carry the name wherever they go. Moreover, in order to actively make them participate, we often hold formal and informal interactions with our students. Our alumni actively participates in final placements, summer internships, guest lectures, seminars, wherein they come and they help our students and groom them for the corporate world. At ILM, we have also initiated the Alumni Mentoring Program, where each student of ILM is given an alumni mentor who also acts as an industry mentor and guides the students throughout in every possible way that they can.
Hi, this is Shruti Kohli. I'm from 2008-10 batch. I'm currently working with Ernst & Young as a senior consultant. I've been associated with EY from past 4 years. That is from the day I graduated from this college.
Hi, I'm Abhishek Joshi. I'm from 2007-9 batch from ILM, and I'm currently working with the company SAP Miller as a institutional sales manager, Haryana.
My name is Atul Singh, and I'm working with Samsung Electronics as an assistant manager for sales and channel development.
Hi, I'm Sumit Maheshwari. I'm an alumni of ILM, was part of the first batch of Gurgaon campus. I am a CEO and MD of my own enterprise, which is Think Roots Advertising.
ILM, my experience here was definitely something which is very memorable for me. Be it academics, be it my extracurricular activities, be it interacting with my faculty as well as my co-students and my juniors has been a wonderful experience.
ILM, I really enjoyed my day during my PGPN, and it was an awesome experience. As far as the faculty is concerned, they are amazing.
This is the place which allows you, which gives you the freedom to have global thinking and an open-minded thinking from the day one. I think this is the best place to be in for your masters. Thank you.
Passing out of ILM in 2006, I joined Cafe Coffee Day, and since then it's been three companies which took me to a point where I decided to be on my own.
ILM Institute strives to develop the diverse pool of intellectual capital endowed with rich industry and teaching experience. The diversity of interest in the student ensures that they are exposed to wide perspective of contemporary business scenarios. ILM's expertise in management studies is highly acclaimed largely on account of the institute's team of highly qualified and experienced faculty. It has faculty members from some of the most prestigious educational institutes like IIM, Cornell, ISB, Stern and Kellogg.
The Institute focuses on outstanding curriculum designed to teach skills and attributes that help in decision making in the fast and dynamic scenario. The core courses in the first year help understand the way an organization works so that the student is able to comprehend the full information to make a good decision. Readings and cases from Harvard Business Publishing are an internal part of our curriculum. The elective choice enables the student to take the choice of stream. The courses are delivered by knowledgeable faculty or practitioners from industry who have experience in the related field from the industry. We've collaborated with European universities for our student exchange program. 1 in 4 students is sent for a semester abroad. International exposure helps the student understand the cultural diversity and also provides the exposure to global business environment.
Student engagement beyond academics is an integral part of any education process. ILM provides a common platform to its students to hone both academic and non-academic skills. We have different clubs here. The program engages faculty, students, staff and business professionals in such a way that promotes academic excellence, leadership development and career exploration for the students.
Clubs tends to promote wide range of activities that caters to the professional and intellectual interest of the students. The student club provides a wide platform for the talent expression. We have many clubs like HR, marketing, finance, cultural, environment, NGO and bloggers to encourage them to exchange and have ideas to showcase their talent. The Incubator Center brings together all the ingredients required to start a business, such as mentoring, networking, seed capital. It is an effort to support and help new business ideas, which could be an opportunity to start a new business for the students. This can lead to success and progression of the students.
ILM is an international campus. We met a lot of international students.
There will be a new international hostel, and it will be better to meet other foreigners like UK people, Korean and others.
The ILM organized trips for us. We went to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. We went to Rishikesh, a very nice place in the banks of Ganga.
Yeah.
And we will going to Udaipur too. And this is amazing, an amazing thing that the school organized this for us.
Did rafting in the Ganga?
Everything is well organized, like you just said, with
amazing
rafting.
Yeah.
Amazing experience.
We also discovered amazing landscapes, beautiful places, and love of very nice people.
The main event organized by the school was Holi, and Holi was unforgettable. Colorful event and amazing things among the campus.
Great discovery of India.